So hello and welcome to First at Tech. Today is a very special day for me because today is my first unboxing video and we are unboxing this guy, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So those who know me, they know that I'm a huge fan of OnePlus. So when I heard that 10 minutes of charging will give you 10 hours of playback with a total of 20 hours of playback, and the price of Indian unit is also cheaper, it was a no-brainer for me. I decided to buy this guy. So it retails at around $50 in the US, and in India it is 1999, but I bought it at around 1799 rupees using a coupon code. So I will link the coupon code in the description box below. So make sure if you want to buy the same Bullets Wireless Z, so you can check out using the coupon code. That will give you an extra 200 rupees discount. So this is the black color variant. This is again black color variant. In the back it is written warp charge and all those things that we will cover in the unboxing. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. It really helps this channel. Please click the bell icon and like and share this video with your friends. With that being said, see you on the other side. Okay, so we have the Bullets Wireless Z, and here it is written that 10 minutes of charging, 10 hours it will give, 20 hours of playback. As you can see, this is a black color variant. In the back it is written warp charging, long battery life of 20 hours, magnetic control, which is good. It is also IP55 rated and quick switch. It will switch across the devices in a quick fashion, and low latency mode, which will help in gaming. So the MRP is 2199, but as I said, if you want to purchase, you will get at around 1999, and using the coupon code you will get around 1799. So let's cut the seal. Okay, we are in. Okay, so I'll put this aside and let's open this guy. From where I should open? Okay, so this is the Bullets Wireless Z, and I believe there are some documentations are also inside that. Okay, so these were two plastic covers which were there, and this is the Bullets Wireless Z. So I will keep this guy in the side for some time and let's see what all are there in the box. I don't think it contains anything here. Let's see inside what all things are there. Okay, the red colored warp charging cable of OnePlus, this is there, and it also contains some ear tips. The big and the small variant will be there. Some ear tips are there, and I don't see anything. And here is the leaflet for the charging description, and here is the red cable club invitation. And these are just plain documentation stuff, but surprisingly I don't see any stickers from OnePlus. Anyways, I will check if it is there or not again. So I'll keep these things aside and let's see how does it work. Okay, so this is the earphone, which definitely feels premium. The material used is way ahead, which you get at this price range. The rubber which is used here in this neckband area is definitely silky smooth. And here are the controls. This is the OnePlus logo. You can see here the OnePlus logo. There is a charging USB-C type charging port, and this is the on-off switch, I guess. And these are the controls for the same volume up and volume down, and changing track and maybe taking calls. And these are magnetic, as you can see. So there is a small sound. I think it's a great deal at this price point. Definitely thanks to OnePlus for reducing the price in India so that a lot of Indians can buy that. and I'm very happy with the product, and I will test and let you know how it gives with respect to the music quality and all those stuff. Okay, so that's all. Please share this with your friends. If you want to buy again, I'm telling that use the coupon code, you will save 200 rupees. Take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye.